Oh, that's a skull fracture for sure. What's the matter, you freaking stupid? It's starting to bore me how much you suck. Woo! Eat my dust, dumbass!
Put this...
Drop dead and give me 20. Oh! This did not just happen! Hit the bricks, pal, you're done. I will never stop killing. You're a disgrace to the uniform, pal. Denied. Oh! Yo, if you didn't want me to kill you, you should have said something! You suck! Oh! Stop! How's that feel?
Fight like big man!
Aw, crap.
Let us wrestle, little man!
Okay, this does not look good here, Help!
Yeah! Let this be a lesson for you!
What?